Some iPhone 17 Pro users are reporting a strange crackling or static sound coming from their phone. Speakers, especially while charging. The issue has been widely discussed on Reddit and Apple forums, with users describing it as an old radio noise. In some cases, the sound even appears while scrolling or playing low-volume audio. Interestingly, replacing the phone doesn't always fix the problem, suggesting it may be software-related. Even after updating to iOS 26.2, the issue continues for some users. Now, all eyes are on the upcoming iOS 26.3 update. If you're affected, Apple recommends testing different chargers and contacting support before your return window expires.